All right, so I'll start it off since I'm back in LA and I got to work all day today. It was really nice. It's exciting. User data kind of had a hang up. I've been working with Jack a lot today. We were missing some pretty vital endpoints, and he is working his butt off to get those to me. And then I'll continue with the user data. I got the custom player to go full screen now, and everything works. It's pretty sweet. And that is all I have for my end right now. And now we'll just we'll move on to Caleb.
Sweet. So I actually just woke up a couple hours ago. I'm back in Indonesia finally, so the time's a little bit different. But I started designing the app that I'm going to build for the maps chapter of the book. I still need to write. I'm going to do a little, like a little parking spot finder app. Like you can save your parking spot. It'll use just kind of the default Apple Maps, but I'm going to do a custom location annotation and just saving maps locations and stuff. So I did that. I kind of started to set up a game plan for how I'm going to be kind of finishing up the book and looking into all the stuff I need to do, like getting the book an ISBN number and just figuring out how we're going to send this to be a physical book. So I'm doing all that stuff now.
Awesome, man. That sounds like a awesome app addition too to the book.
That's great. Yeah, I thought it would be useful.
Nice, man. Good work.
Thanks.
And welcome back to Jakarta.
Yes. It's so warm compared to Japan. It's like 90 degrees.
Nice.
Anyway.
Yeah, it's so warm compared to Wisconsin here, but it's still cold here.
Yeah.
All right, Evan.
I am just cranking out images. Finished all the thumbnails for the past month and just wrapped up the course images like 10 minutes ago. So I'll export those out for you and Johnny and Jack in a little bit. And then was bugging Mark about sending out that survey, which is, I think it's going to help us a lot in terms of like finding, who exactly our customers are and like placing them in certain buckets and stuff. But yeah, that's all I got. It's been a good day.
Awesome. I just had to correct you. Those images are going to have to go to Jason.
Jason.
Good work, man. All right, Hector.
Hey guys, I've just been researching some rigging stuff that I had a problem with in the past. So I'm just looking at it. It looks like Blender updated a lot of really nice features to the character rigging or just rigging system in general. That makes it a lot easier. So that's nice. And also working on some concept art for some environment props and recorded some on Krita. Like did a whole introduction tutorial on that, which is a 2D art program, which is similar to Photoshop and GIMP, but with a much nicer paint system or brush system. And that's all I got.
Cool, man. Yeah,
Cool.
Sounds like you've been keeping busy.
That's sweet.
Nice work, man.
Yep.
All right, Johnny B.
Today I did similar to what I did yesterday, where you buy the courses in the Courses VC. Now that is also available in the Lessons VC. Swaps out the download source code button if you have not already purchased the course to be a buy course. It plays the preview video URL instead of the first lesson if it's not purchased. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll throw up another DMG of it in a bit, so you guys can play with it, so Evan can check it out. But yeah, it's looking good. And that's all I got.
Awesome.
Awesome work, man. I forgot I was muted and was talking for like a couple seconds there. All right, hey, Pearson, you're up.
I just figured it out.
What was it?
Well, you have to know how to plug headphones in. No, I'm kidding. I had to change the settings in Google Hangouts specifically.
Oh, yeah.
I kept changing them on my Mac, and it wasn't doing anything. So
yeah, I bet you were just shoving the headphone cord into the HDMI port.
You know, that's I tried
Common
that
mistake.
twice, but I was like, no,
I don't think that's right.
I don't think that makes sense. So today I was tackling the the same feature that I've been working on for the last day. So got a little bit farther, than I was in understanding what I'm supposed to do. I was using Jacob jumped on the a Skype call with me, and we looked at it together, and I was overcomplicating things a little bit, but I was still on the right track using the content offset. I just have to figure out how to use it now. So yeah, complicated stuff, but I'm getting the hang of it. So
Sweet. Were you able to get anywhere with like, do you think the direction we talked about will work?
yeah, I mean, that's what I was trying to do before is make it so that it recognizes if it's more or less than the content offset. I just didn't. I wasn't doing it right, and so I'm trying to figure out how to do that. So
okay.
That's why I created
everyone,
that's why I created a range, because I was like, okay,
Yeah.
if it's between this range, because there's a range of output that you saw.
Oh, yeah,
when
that's
it
a good
scrolls up and down. So anyway,
nice. For everyone watching, Pearson is making our app prettier, the iOS app, and where the green banner goes across on the lesson VC when you're playing lessons, he's either making that disappear or show, depending if the user's scrolling up or down.
and it has to show or disappear anywhere on the table view.
Right.
So
Good work, man.
It can't.
I'm
just
excited
be
to
at the
see
top.
it.
I'm excited to see it. It means I can actually do something with code. No, every time I finish a feature, I look at it and I'm like, did I really do that? Because I don't remember how I did it. But no, I'm just kidding.
You black out for a second, and everything's done.
Yeah. And then all of a sudden I see Mark's silhouette walk away. I'm like, is that Batman? I don't know. But yeah. I got a laugh out of Caleb. That was good.
That's all that matters.
That made it all worth
All
it.
right, good job, man. All right, Jack Attack.
Let me unmute there. Still splitting time between the new course coming up, and the API. I actually got a lot of work done on the API today. Got with Jacob, and I don't know, knocked out 10 or 12 new endpoints for data. So we've got a couple of challenges to tackle, and I'm going to work on those tonight, see if I can't get them knocked out. So that's what I got.
Awesome, man.
All right, cool. I'm excited. I know Caleb's excited for user data.
Woo!
All right, well, I think that's it. Does anyone else want to add anything before we hang up?
Nope.
I'll take the silence
think we're
as we
good.
can hang up.
Good.
All right, I'll talk to you guys later.
Later.
All right.
All right, thanks, guys.